Hey guys, welcome to the Reese Valley in the South Island of New Zealand, very close to Queenstown. I've just finished this little painting behind me, and hopefully you can follow me along in the video that follows this intro. This is just a stunning valley. If you look behind me here, I'll just turn around. The sun's going down, so this scene has just been getting better and better out here. Absolutely beautiful. There's a truck behind me. Did a little bit of four-wheel driving to get here, which was fun. And there's the painting. Hopefully you can follow along step by step and create a beautiful little painting and enjoy the process. Happy painting. This painting was made on location, so it's a really good inside look into the process of plein air painting. So I'll take you right through the whole process, from the design to the block-in to those finishing touches, and you'll see all the colour mixing, and there's also a brief discussion at the end about how this painting could be made better in the studio. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently, following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. I suspect that if you've watched this video all the way to this point, then you're probably going to enjoy the lesson. So let's get started.